Hello, hello, and happy holidays. There was no way that I was going to let the holidays get started, and complete without saying happy holidays. I know I haven't been on here in a while, just touching base to show you a project that I've made and let you know that I'm still in the Louise Fletcher class, um, Find Your Joy. And right now we are on week 11. It's a 12-week course. So I have been missing in action a little bit. I've been really working hard on it. I really love it. And I hope that I am going to find my joy. That would be wonderful. But today we're going to talk about Advent calendars because I need to deliver this to my sister today. It is a few days before Thanksgiving, and I won't see her probably now until Christmas. And at least I won't see her until the 1st of December when you start an Advent calendar, right? So you have an Advent calendar from 1 to 24, the 24 days before Christmas. And it gives you a fun little gift every day to open or what have you. Well, last year, a few years ago, I did one, and it got published in this holiday issue of Somerset Studio. And here it is. And it shows all the directions on how to make it. A couple of pages there, all right? I'll leave the link below, and so that you can check that out if you want to order your copy. It's not too late. It's always fun to get ideas, even for next year. But anyways, to this one. I made this when I was away a few weeks back at a stamp camp. The box, I apologize. I wish I would have taken a picture before, but it was just all beat up. It was a white kind of vinyl box. It did have this plastic on it, but it was all punched out. And then it had just white here, and these were all the little boxes. So that looked like this. You can imagine now. All the little boxes that were in this. And I got it at a rummage sale for $2, maybe a couple years back. And my vision was to make it into an Advent calendar because it had the right amount of boxes. So that's exactly what I did. I put this handle on from an old cupboard that we tore apart, and then I put this key and a ribbon that says love, attached it with some ball chain. I covered the top of the box, obviously, with some Christmas paper, and then I had bought this cardinal die from Picture This that I was at for the stamp camp, second week in November, I guess it was. And then I picked out a few pattern papers that I liked and used both sides, so I could have, this would be one side, obviously, and the other, so it saved on a little bit of paper. Inside the box, there's a little gift. So here, this one is a watercolor pan in there, and I put letters, sticky letters on with some stickers that I had in my stash, and I really glued them down too because they were really quite old. I had some Christmas stickers. I had some different type of just little Christmas doodads, and I stuck them all over the box, so it made it really, really cute. And so then that's the front, and here is the back. Okay, oop, I gotta fix that. I see I got a little thing coming up. And then on the back, I have this bag hanging, and as you can see, it's tagged number 5. So when she gets to number 5 in here, wherever it is, down here, she will pull this out. Inside, there's a little thing that says day 5, and then there's a watercolor palette there too, okay? So this is going to my sister. I don't know if I mentioned that. Well, inside of this bag here, and I already stapled it shut, is a tin that I made, and it's absolutely adorable. Mine looks like this, and it's just a tin from some craft supplies, and inside I put watercolors. Well, in hers, each one of her little half pans is going to fit in hers, and I have the colors all swatched out and everything for you. I will show pictures at the end of this video because I took pictures before I wrapped this all up, okay? So stay tuned to the end and you can see what's in that bag. It's a watercolor palette like this, and this is just a treasure tin that I made. I have a online class on my website. I can link to that. I will link to the magazine. I will have pictures at the end, and then I'm going to wrap this up in some wrapping paper, and I'm going to go a little non-traditional because it is so Christmassy. This is wrapping paper that I made, and I can show you how to do that. It would be a really fun project to do now before Christmas, and obviously you just grab out your reds and your greens and your golds and your silvers, and you make your Christmas paper, which I probably should. And maybe I'll try and do a video on that. It'll try and be before Christmas. But the online class that I have here to show you this technique is my abstract floral class. I'll link to that below in the description also. And if you are a member of the new Art Bundle for Joy, Art Bundle for Good, excuse me, the 2025, my online class is in there with your purchase. So you pay $99 or $125 depending on when you got your art bundle. And then all of our classes are available to you. And mine is like $64, I think, in value. So if you spent $100 on all of those classes in the art bundle, which I think this year is 102, mine would be in there. So you're saving lots and lots of money like that. So I'm going to wrap this up in my paper. I'm going to take it to lunch today with my sister. I cannot wait to give it to her. And of course she won't know what's in the boxes because she can't open number 1 until Sunday. So there's all kinds of really fun goodies in here, and especially that paint palette that she's going to get to be able to fill with all of her small little paints, right? So that's just a different way of doing things. It's the only way I could figure out how to attach it so it wouldn't get lost in translation. So have a great holiday. Thanks for stopping in. Leave comments below and follow the links if you want a link to the magazine that will get you the information on how to make this. Also, I'll have below my abstract floral class. What a great class to give for a gift, a Christmas gift. That art abstract floral class would be really a great Christmas gift. So check that out. And also, I will link my treasure tin class. I think that one's maybe $10 or $15. It's just a few hours, but if you get these tins, you find them at rummage sales or Goodwill or whatever, it is a great little class to make some gifts, right? So, and treasure tins come in all different sizes. I'm sure you know all of the treasure tins that I make and love. And if you want to see some more of those, just let me know and in the comments, and I will get right back to you. Okay, happy holidays, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for stopping. Bye.